Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will cover array methods. I will have another two videos related to array methods, and here in this video, I will cover push, pop, shift, and unshift. Because inside array, array is in JavaScript, array is very powerful. Okay, array. And this array is actually a dynamic array, which is different from like other language like Java. Java's array is a fixed array. If we want to dynamically add something into a collection, we have to use array list, right? But JavaScript array is very powerful. It's it's from the behavior we see, it's actually a dynamic array. And array can also, in JavaScript, can also become what? Stack and queue. Like in Java, array list is just a collection. And if you want to use stack, you have to use stack. And also if you want to use a queue, I forgot if we have a queue. But anyway, the array in JavaScript can behave like a stack, can also behave like a queue, because they have the methods to push the values to the end, and can also push the values to the front, and also can remove value from the end and remove value from the front. That's why. And the methods are push, pop, shift, and unshift. Okay, and push, it will add one or more elements to the end of an array. And it also return the new length of the array. Normally, after we push, I don't need to get the return length. Normally, we just push in, okay? But it will give you the return length, okay? And you can pop, remove the last element from the array, and also return the element that you removed. Okay, shift gonna be remove the first element from array and return the element. Unshift is add one more element to the front of the array and return a new length. Now let's take a look at how to use them. Okay, I will use ID to write a demo to you guys. And this one is I will add in the data type. Okay, array methods 1. Because I will have several. Okay, I plan to have several. You can have HTML5, and here we have a script. And now let's take a look at const AR array. Let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have an array with 5 elements, right? And we can push array dot push like a push 6, and after you do, okay, this array gonna become like this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will add into the end, and push will return the new length. Let's hold the value using a variable. Okay, len equals, okay, then we print it. Originally, the array will have 5 elements, and after we push the 6, it's gonna have a 6 element, right? Now let me open this one in the browser. Okay, I will do like this way. Okay, I can have this one. No, this one. Okay, like hold it, and then to the left, and I will have this one. Okay. And I open the ID. No, ID. Developer tool. You will have 6, which is the new length. And we can also print the array, which is AR dot AR. Okay, you will see the value gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, which is at the end. And we can do a pop. Pop. And for the pop, you don't need to have any parameter or arguments here, because pop always remove the elements from the end, which will remove the last one. And you can also have let removed last removed end, remove from end. Okay, remove end element. okay, and then we can do it CLG remove and yeah, okay, like this way. And we also can console log AR. And if we do like this way, then your array become like 1 2 3 4 5 again. It become like this way again. Let's take a look at, okay, pop will always remove from the end. See here, 1 2 3 5, and length becomes 5. Okay, why this this is the removed element is 6. If we do one more time, like this way, if we do one more time, like I will comment this 2, okay, I'll remove 2, and the first pop is gonna remove the 6, and if I do one more time, it's gonna remove, and you will have 4 left. You have 1 2 3 4 because you popped twice, okay. Pop will always remove from the end. See, if I comment this 2, you will see here, the first one will remove the 6, the second one will remove 5. If you continue pop like AR.pop, pop one more, and you will only have what? You will only have 1 2 3 in the array. Okay, you see, you will have 1 2 3. Okay, that's push and pop. And with these two methods, you can implement as the stack. Stack gonna be the last in, first out. So this is a push, gonna be pushed to the end, which is last in, but when you remove, it's gonna be removed from the end, which is pop. So you using push and pop, you can achieve last in and first out, which is a stack, the data structure stack. Okay, this is one, and we will do next one. Next one is about the shift, right? Shift gonna remove from the beginning. Let me take a look at, let me show you. Okay, I will add a CLG from here, and here I will demo shift and unshift. Okay, now let's do a shift first. Okay, shift, how to do a shift? You just similar like the push, you give a value. I will use AR dot. So far now our AR is 1 2 3. Okay, at the end we have 1 2 3 the array. And when we do shift, shift, it's gonna remove from the beginning, like shift once and CLG AR. And let's take a look at, you will see you will have 2 and 3. You have 2 and 3 because shift is gonna remove from the front of this array. If you shift twice, you will have 3 only, because shift the first one, remove 1, you will have 2 and 3. Second one, you will remove 2, then you only have 3 left. That's a shift. Okay, and shift, the value you hold by shift is also the removed element. Front element. Let's print it. Removed front ELEM. Okay, like this way. You will have 1 because when we remove is previous, this AR before we shift is 1 2 3, right? When we 1 2 3, you remove the first one, you're gonna have 2 3. So the 1 is gonna be the hold value by the shift. Okay, and unshift also add from the first. Unshift. Okay, you add one called let's add A. So far our array is 2 and 3, right? Here when we print, this array here is 2 and 3, and when we add A, okay, you're gonna have an array which is A and 2 3. You are gonna have an array here is A and 2 3. Okay, let me print out for you. There again, you have A and 3. That's because unshift will add from the beginning. Okay, and we can do is add one more. Okay, unshift we give a B, and you will see here, and unshift will also give you a length. Okay, return the new length. I don't want to do it, you do by yourself. Okay, and you will add to the beginning too, so you're gonna have a B and A and 2 and 3. Let's see, B A, 2, and 3. Okay, that's unshift. Unshift is where in queue, the queue is the first in, first out, first in, first out. So, but when we add it, we will add push in. When we in queue, it's gonna be in queue to the end, right? So we should use first in. We should use push and push and what's the push and not pop, push and shift. When we push and shift, yes, when we use push and shift, you can achieve a queue, which is the first in and the first out, right? Okay. So that's this, and if you are interested, because here you have to know a little bit of data structure in order to understand the stack and the queue, okay? And I don't want to go deep. Probably when I have time in the future, I can show you guys, okay? But now I just briefly show you what those methods are doing. Push is push to the end of the array, and pop, it will always remove from the end, okay? Shift, it always remove from the front. And unshift is always added into the front. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.